we are going to discuss about the generator, electric generator. So what is electric generator? Electric generator is a device which converts the mechanical energy into electric energy. It is a vice versa, okay, of the definition of motor. उसमें क्या होता था डेफिनेशन ऑफ मोटर में कि इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी गेट इज अ डिवाइस विच इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर इज अ डिवाइस विच कन्वर्ट्स द इलेक्ट्रिक एनर्जी इनटू मैकेनिकल एनर्जी. जबकि इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर का डेफिनेशन क्या होगा? इलेक्ट्रिक जनरेटर इज अ डिवाइस which convert the mechanical energy into electrical energy. So generator is basically of two types. One is a DC generator and one is a AC generator. Generator which works on direct current and the generator which works on alternating current. So direct current पे generator ऐसा दिखते हैं. It may be a huge generator or the small generators also small. You can make the generator. See, DC generators are basically huge, and AC generators are the small kind of generator which are basically used in the cycles also. You can fit in the cycle on the last tire of the cycle, where when you can do the pedaling of the cycle, so the light will glow at that time during the night time. Okay, so AC generator can be used in that purpose also. Small AC generators are available, so that you can use, and DC generators are generally used in the generators, inverters, right? Okay, now we'll talk about the AC electric generator. What is the construction of AC electric generator? So for that we'll require the diagram. First of all, we'll see what is AC electric generator. An AC electric generator is a device which used to convert the mechanical energy into electric energy. Same definition, but it is AC. AC means alternating current. It generates the alternating current. That is the main difference. So diagram will be this way. Two magnets you will take. One is of north pole and one is a south pole, and you will connect an armature coil which is in this way. Okay, and here you will label it as PQRS. In your textbook it has been labeled as different labeling A, B, C, D. No problem. This is a coil. You can label anything. And after that there is a two rings. We know this. We are aware about this ring. This rings we have seen also in the motor, but it was a split ring. It was cut from the center. Now it is not cut from the center. It is a complete ring, and it has been two rings. Okay, one on connected on this point P and one is connected on this point. Then both the rings have been labeled as R1 and R2. Then there is a brush, carbon brushes, and it is named as B1 and B2, and these brushes are then connected with the galvanometer. Now you cannot see here the galvanometer because the image is going downward, so you can just see the figure of your textbook which is there on the page number 60, figure 4.20, a diagram of electric generator. I will show you also here. So this is how the setup has been done for the electric generator. See this figure, it is one of the same thing. See, there are the two magnets are kept, coil is there which is in the axial is there, it is wrapped in the around the axial. Carbon brushes are there, you can see B1 and B2. The rings are named as R1 and R2. Now here they have named the coil as A, B, C, D. I have named as PQRS, anything, it doesn't make any difference. And then it is connected with the galvanometer, right? Here they are connected with the galvanometer. I have also connected with the galvanometer. Why galvanometer? Because here we have to develop the power. We have to develop the electricity. Electricity direct हमको नहीं मिलेगा. Okay, we are going to develop the electricity in this process, and therefore it is called as a generator. And this will work on the electromagnetic induction principle. Now you see here, this coil is going to rotate. This coil PQRS is going to rotate as soon as the when it will rotate because of the force. Okay, because of one force we are going to give this coil, and उसके वजह से ये coil rotate करना चालू करेगा. And once the coil will rotate, the PQ will go upward. This PQ arm is going to go upward. This PQ arm, you can see this PQ arm is going to move upward, and RS is going to move downward. PQ arm is going to move upward and RS is going to move downward. So because of that the current will start generating, because you know as this coil will rotate, ये दो मैग्नेट के बीच में क्या होता है, मैग्नेटिक लाइंस ऑफ फोर्स होते हैं ना बहुत सारे. जैसे ये कॉइल रोटेट करेगा Okay, because of some force this coil will start rotating. As soon as this coil will rotate, the magnetic lines of force are cut. When the magnetic lines of force are cut, potential difference is generated, and once the potential difference is generated, electric current is induced. So current will start flowing from P to Q, Q to R, and R to S. In first half rotation, current will flow from B2 to B1. यहाँ से current B2 से B1 में flow होगा. Current will flow from B2 to B1. You cannot see here. I am writing here. In first half rotation, when this coil will rotate, PQ आर्म ऊपर की तरफ जाएगा, RS आर्म नीचे की तरफ जाएगा, और इसके वजह से इलेक्ट्रिक करंट प्रोड्यूस होगा. Okay, and the current will produce from B2 to B1 in first half rotation, and in second half rotation current will produce from B1 to B2. Now here the current will rotate in second half. देखिए फर्स्ट रिंग में आपने देखा था कि किस तरह से कनेक्ट है. सेकेंड हाफ रोटेशन में देखिए रोटेशन कैसा हो गया. अगर आप देखिए फिर से मैं बता दूं, पे अटेंशन. इन फर्स्ट केस यू सी दिस P arm is connected with the B1 and this S arm PQ arm is connected with B1 and RS arm is connected with the B2. See this figure very carefully, and when this full armature coil PQRS is going to rotate, what will happen? Now you can see this RS arm is connected with B1 and this RS arm is connected with B2 and this PQ arm is connected with B1. दिख रहा है ना आपको? करेक्ट. ये देखिए ना RS आर्म, ये जो RS आर्म है ये वाला दे देखिए, RS आर्म इज कनेक्टेड विथ B2 and this PQ arm is connected with what? ये जो PQ arm है that is connected with B1, right? Brush B1. So rotation, because of this the direction of the current will also change, it will reverse, and because of that in second half rotation it will change from initially क्या था B2 to B1. now in second half rotation it will go from B1 to B2. that means इस बार SR ऊपर की तरफ जाएगा, SR arm is going to move upward and PQ arm is going to move downward. So in second half rotation it will go from B1 to B2. Okay, and this is how the coil keeps on rotating continuously and the electric current is going to generate in the generator. This is how the AC generator works. Okay, this is very very important. Again इसके भी animated videos है मेरे पास. I'll share the animated video also so that it will be more detail. आप देख सकते हो उसमें कि किस तरह से ये rotate होता है, and you will come to know further. Okay, so I hope it is clear with the AC electric generator. Now you see we have discussed about the AC generator. DC generator कुछ इस तरह से आपको दिखेगा. ये फिगर देखिए आपके सामने जो स्क्रीन पे है, ये DC जनरेटर होता है. इन दिस ऑल्सो यू विल सी दिस फिगर, यू विल कंपेयर विद द इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर. इट विज समवॉट सिमिलर, बट इसमें क्या है, इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर में हम लोग बैटरी लगाते थे टू प्रोड्यूस द करंट, बट इन द केस ऑफ जनरेटर वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू पुट अ बैटरी, वी आर गोइंग टू पुट अ गैल्वेनोमीटर या तो इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब जो यहाँ पे लगा हुआ है देखिए. सो दैट जब इलेक्ट्रिक करंट प्रोड्यूस होता है जनरेटर में तो ये बल्ब ग्लो होगा एंड वी विल कम टू नो दैट द इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज जनरेटेड. ओके, एंड दिस इज हाउ द डीसी जनरेटर वर्क्स. सो डीसी जनरेटर का जो डायग्राम है वो तो अभी आपको नहीं है फिलहाल टेक्स्ट बुक में. दे हैव जस्ट गिवन ए सिंपल एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ डीसी जनरेटर. सेम थिंग इट इज गोइंग टू डू, एवरीथिंग इज सेम. देखिए यहाँ पे भी दो मैग्नेट्स है, आर्मेचर कॉइल है, आयरन कोर बीच में है, स्प्लिट रिंग कम्यूटेटर है, ब्रशेस है, B1 B2 रिंग्स है, R1 एंड R2, और एक बल्ब लगा दिया है. एंड व्हेन दिस कॉइल इज गोइंग टू रोटेट द करंट इज गोइंग टू जनरेट. हाउ द करंट इज गोइंग टू जनरेट? बिकॉज नॉर्थ और साउथ पोल के बीच में मैग्नेटिक लाइन्स ऑफ फोर्स होंगे बहुत सारे, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट व्हेन द कॉइल रोटेट दिस मैग्नेटिक लाइन्स ऑफ फोर्स आर गोइंग टू कट. जब ये मैग्नेटिक लाइन्स ऑफ फोर्स कट होंगे तो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस जनरेट होगा, और जब पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस जनरेट होगा तो क्या प्रोड्यूस होगा? इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. एंड दिस यू विल कम टू नो इन द when the bulb will glow. जब बल्ब ग्लो होता है तो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है, एंड when the bulb will not glow that means electricity is not producing. So this is how the DC generator works. एक छोटा सा एक्सप्लेनेशन आपको दिया है, ज़्यादा डिटेल में नहीं है. AC जनरेटर के बारे में आपको काफ़ी डिटेल में एक्सप्लेनेशन इट इज़ गिवन इन द टेक्स्ट बुक. ओके, सी इन द टेक्स्ट बुक ये सब ऐसे टाइप के क्वेश्चन बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. नेम द फॉलोइंग डायग्राम एंड एक्सप्लेन द कॉन्सेप्ट बिहाइंड देम. जैसे एक फ्लेमिंग लेफ्ट हैंड रूल है, एक फ्लेमिंग राइट हैंड रूल है. ओके, इन दिस वे जैसे फिगर दिया है आपको पहचान है कौन सा इसमें से फ्लेमिंग लेफ्ट हैंड रूल है, कौन सा फ्लेमिंग राइट हैंड रूल है. ओके, एंड देन यू हैव टू